Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to invest in the S&P 500 using Robinhood. First, open Robinhood. Launch the Robinhood app on your phone. Next, search for the S&P 500 ETF. Tap the search bar and type Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. It should appear at the top of the results as VOO. You can review the ETF information like performance, dividends, and more. Next, buy the ETF. Tap Buy, enter the amount you want to invest. Robinhood supports fractional shares, so you can invest as little as $1. For this tutorial, I'll invest $10. Swipe up to submit your purchase. And that's it. You've successfully invested in the S&P 500 using Robinhood. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.